In today's video, I bring to you exciting new exercises to try out sitting in a chair. Because this is exactly what most of us do. Either we are sitting at work or sitting at home. Then why not try these new exciting, simple belly buster exercises to finally get rid of that stubborn belly fat and give you a slim waist once and for all. So I came up with these exercises due to my sedentary lifestyle, and I finally realized there is a one-stop solution to definitely getting a slim waist and a desired waistline by just sitting in a chair. All you have to do is perform these very simple exercises on a daily basis. So I came up with these easy and exciting exercises just sitting in a chair. So I thought of sharing them with you because they're completely beginner friendly. You can do it anytime, anywhere, and not much of an effort is needed. Trust me on that. And like they say, the proof is in the pudding. So the proof of these very exercises lies in my slim waist. I've managed to maintain this all over these years with doing simple and easy but effective exercises with the right technique and the right way of doing it. So I'm here to teach you all. I hope you're all ready. surely huffing and panting after these very exercises. If you think if they're so easy, do try along and you'll surely see the difference. You will be sweating just like me. But because I'm a certified dietitian also, it is my duty to let you know that not just these exercises, but if you follow clean eating, healthy eating habits along with these exercises, you're sure to see magnificent results just like I did. And also include water in your daily diet, minimum 3 to 4 liters. And don't forget to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every single night. It's very important. Your body on a whole is going to come together to help you lose weight and achieve your desired results. Now, I will see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.